Hi everyone, this is David Quinones with S&D Commercial Real Estate. I'm excited to share with you my latest commercial listing, 1040 West Main Street in Lakeland, Florida. This auto shop is located just outside of downtown Lakeland. The shop is under 3,000 square feet and includes 2 bay doors and an oversized fenced-in lot. The space would be ideal for a mechanic, detailing, or tinting shop. Let's head inside and take a look. The main building has a very large reception area, complete with built-in desk. The front space also includes a guest bathroom. The back of the building has 2 separated office spaces, with additional indoor storage on the far side of the building. As mentioned earlier, the building includes 2 bay doors, and the main workshop has 14-foot ceilings. The property will also include a hydraulic lift, air compressor with integrated lines, and a water filtration system for car detailing. The fenced-in lot is very large and can be used for additional income with U-Haul rentals or for parking. If you're interested in seeing this property for yourself, please reach out to set up a private showing.